Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the trial factor you know already. So the other sum is here. The first sum, suppose here 5a cube. Just you see 5a cube plus 11a square. This is plus 4a minus 2. Okay, so this will be factorized. There is an algebraic expression 5a cube. Just you see the 5a cube plus 11a square plus 4a minus 2. Is that cannot you just factorize in the middle term factor? Is the four terms are there? Which one is big? And there is no common thing here. Just now these we apply. We just discuss the previous process, the trial factor. That suppose you take a is 1, a is a equal to minus 1, a is 2, a is equal to minus 2. In this way you solve and just put the value which one is the 0 that you take. Here first one, just I write, suppose is a is 1. Suppose a is 1, you take a is equal to 1. That is called the trial process. Find out this is a 0 or not. A is equal to 1 বসিয়ে তোমরা দেখো এটা 0 আসছে কিনা, 0 होता है कि नहीं देखो ফার্স্ট। So 5a is 1, so a cube plus 11 1 square, this is 4 into 1, that is minus. It cannot be possible to 0 because this is 5, this is all positive, this is 11, this is plus 4, this is minus. It cannot be 0, it cannot be 0. So you cannot take this a is equal to 1. Okay, now just you put the other value, a is equal to, you take minus 1. Just you, this call actually the trial process. You take a is equal to minus 1, then you put the value here. এখানে ভ্যালুটা পুট করে দেখো, 5 a is minus 1 cube, that is 11, this is minus 1 square, this is 4, you always use a bracket, and this is this. Now this is minus 1 cube, this is ultimately minus 5, so this is minus minus plus, this is 11, that is ultimately minus 4, and this is minus 2, minus 5 minus 4 minus 6, see 4 to 6 is 11, so minus 11 plus 11, oh yes, this is 0. So you take a is equal to minus 1 and then is 0. This is the first stage. Okay, now that means a is equal to minus 1, so just you see a plus 1 is equal to 0. A plus 1 is equal to 0. That means this a plus 1 is a factor of this above expression. Okay, now you just divide this. Now other factors are coming. So just a division. So a1 you get. So a plus 1, just you divide 5a cube plus 11a square plus 4a minus 2. That is very important. এই জায়গাটা বোঝার চেষ্টা করো তোমরা। This called the trial factor. কোন ভ্যালুটা বসিয়ে আমি 0 পাবো, কোন সা ভ্যালু इधर में बैठ के 0 मिलेगा। So this is put the value a is equal to minus 1, that is 0. So a plus 1 is equal to 0. That means a plus 1 is a factor of this algebraic expression. Now you just divide this. Okay, the other factor. Okay. So here is a plus 1, here is 5a square. You know the division process is the 5a square. 5a square to 5a cube. The same thing is that this is plus, this is also plus. Because the subtraction and the minus cut off. A cube and this is plus 5a square. Just sub. So this is minus, this is minus. This part is come. Cut. So this is the greater on the opposite side. So plus 6a square. Plus 4a, you cut off this, so same thing, plus 6 here is coming, the division process. So this is a, so 6a, just multiply 6a, 6a into a, 6a square plus 6a. Okay, just subtraction, minus this cut, first part is always cut, these are opposite signs, so minus 2a minus 2. Now this coming the a plus 1, in which you get minus 2, just only minus 2. So minus, because the same thing is there, because the further you just subtract So minus 2a plus minus a minus 2. So this is plus, this is also plus, cut up, cut. So 0. So this is the other factor. So what is the ultimate answer? Now we check this is the middle term factor or not, it's possible or not. এটা middle term factor হবে কি হবে না তোমরা একটু দেখে নেওয়ার পর না, so this is the ultimate answer is a plus 1 and this is 5a square plus 6a minus 2. This is the ultimate answer because it's not possible. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and this is minus, multiply is minus, plus minus minus. No other way you get 10. So add this 10, just you break, add 2 plus 5 7 and you subtract 5 minus 2, this is 3. It cannot get 6. So this is the ultimate answer. So a plus 1, 5a square plus 6a minus 2. So these actually called the trial factor. Okay, clear? Now the other sum. This actually the last day for the trial factor. Okay, next day I just upload the different part of the videos, other factorization or others are shifting to the exponents and log, other things. Okay, so factorization will be completed. 2 3 one video are there for the factorization. This actually called the trial factor and other processes there I just discuss later. Okay, so this for the today is the trial factor, the last day. Now the other sum. Okay, in which you solve it. Don't to be panic in maths, just you understand the process, which one is possible you just do it. Now the other process, one sum is there. This is 2x cube, 2x cube minus x square plus 9x and plus 5 plus 5. Okay, clear? 2x cube minus x square, this is plus 9x plus 5. So is not the middle term factor, no common is there, so just trial and error process. Here is the trial and error process. You get x is equal to minus half, just type, repeat, minus half, then you put, because x is equal to 1, you just apply this, nothing can be 0. x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, এটা করে 0 আসবে না, just maybe for that reason I just discuss x is equal to minus half. So 2 bracket minus half to the power cube minus x square, x is minus half square plus 9 into minus half and this is plus 5. Okay, so this is ultimately minus, this is 2 into, this is 1 by 8, this is minus minus plus square and this is ultimately minus 1 by 4 and now this is minus plus minus minus 9 by 2 and this is 5, this is 5. Okay, this ultimately 1 by 4, so this is minus 1 by 4, this is minus 1 by 4, this is minus 9 by 2 and this is 5 or 5 by 1. You just LCM this, 4 is the LCM. Okay, 4 is the LCM, this is the minus 1, this is also a minus 1, this is 2, 9 to the 18, 9 to the 18, this is 2 and this is 4, divide 2, 9 to the 18 minus and this is 4, 4 for 20. Now this is minus 1 minus 1 minus 18, that is minus 20 plus 20 by 4, that is actually 0 by 4. Oh, you get 0. So if you just put the value x is equal to minus half, you get the value 0. Okay, so that means x plus half is equal to 0. So this ultimately this is 2x, 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 0 0. So 2x plus 1 is a factor. That is, first find out it. You first find out the one factor, then you divide. Clear? So this is a very typical sum, but just put the value 1 2, is a nahi hoga. So minus half, minus 1 by 3, you also put this. This called the trial factor. Okay, Now just I rub it here. So x plus 1 is the factor. Just you divide it to get the other factor. You get the other factor. Okay. Now, so here is 2x plus 1 and you just divide 2x cube minus x square plus 9x plus 5. Certain tough, but you just do in this way. Clear? So this is 2x cube, here is 2x. Just you multiply x square. The same thing plus, here is plus. So 2x into x square, 2x cube. In case of division, তোমাদের আমি বারবার বলছি ফার্স্ট পার্টটা যেন সেম থাকে, সাইন অলসো সেম and the number and the terms are same. A same होना चाहिए, नहीं तो subtraction करेगा काटेगा, this part is 0. Okay, so now the other part is okay. So plus this is x square. Okay, this is x square. Sign change, plus is minus, plus is minus. This plus 2x cube and this plus minus 2x plus x. But this is the same sign, minus 2x square. This is very important. 9x out. So this is minus 2x and this is minus 2x square. Just means just to multiply with minus x. Minus x minus 2x into x, 2x square. You know already the division process, plus minus minus, this is x. First part is cut, plus very carefully you cut. Okay, this is the same sign. So 10x and this is 5. Okay, 10x, this is 2x. Just to multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10x. Same sign. Okay. If there is no plus, you don't write. If the plus is, you don't write this. Plus 5. So this is minus cut. 0. So this is the other factor. This is the other factor. If this possible, the middle term factor, you do it. Either is plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 means minus into minus, little plus, or plus into plus. This is plus. But here is minus, both are minus. Both are minus. If you add, suppose this is minus 5x minus x. Okay, minus minus plus 5x square. This okay, but minus 5x minus x, ultimately minus 6x. It's 1x only. So it cannot possible. So ultimate answer is 2x plus 1, one factor, another is x square minus x plus 5. This is the other answer. Okay. So in this way, you solve the sum. Clear? Okay. Now, we shift to the other sums. Now, the next sum. Very easy, just to understand properly. This actually called the trial factor. I just try to understand in a very easier way to how to solve this sum. This not solved by the middle term factor. Okay, clear? Now the other ones are for today. Clear? Now the other one, different pattern are there. You just properly understand the process. You do it in your home. Okay, no problem at all. Now the other sum is, suppose 2y cube. Here is the other sum, 2y cube minus 5y square. Okay, minus 19y, minus 19y, and this is plus 42. So is the algebraic expression. You cannot solve it in the middle term factor. This call, you just, the question is there, factorize this. So in which way you solve it? It cannot possible in the middle term factor or the common or grouping. So we apply here the trial factor. Put the value of y is 1. Put the value of y is minus 1. Okay, put the value is 2. If you just possible, put the value is 1. It's not. Suppose you just type y is equal to 1. Put it. So 2y cube. Just I see it here. 1 square. This is 19. 140. It cannot possible to 0. Because this is 2 ultimately. This is minus 5. This is minus 19 plus 40. It cannot possible for 0. So you cannot take it. Okay. Okay. Now, minus 1 is not also possible. So you take y is equal to 2. Take y is equal to 2. Put the value. देखो ना क्या होता है. I also don't know. So just to put the value, if the 0 is coming, so this is the solving process. So now 2 y cube, y is 2 cube, clear, minus 5, this is the y square, 2 square is okay, minus 19 into 2, and this is 42. Okay, just to going 2, this is 2 cube, 8, this is 5, this is 2 to the 4, this is 38, and this is 42. Okay, so 8 to the 16, this is 20, this is 38, this is plus 42. So just plus 16 and plus 42. Here is minus 38 and 20. This is the 8 and 3 to 5. And here is 6 to 8, 6 to 8, 4 and 5. Oh, yes, right. So it's cutting. So 0 is coming. So if you take y is equal to 2, then is 0 is coming. That means y minus 2 is 0. So we write y minus 2 is a factor of this expression. This is the way to solve the process. Then you divide. No problem at all. No problem at all. Just I rub it here. You just take, you just find out one factor of this expression. One factor is y minus 2 is one factor. Then you divide it. No problem at all. So y minus 2, you just divide. Very easy. First thing is very important. এইটাকে ফাইন্ড করা হচ্ছে very important. এরপরে যে জিনিসটা সেটা হচ্ছে just you divide properly. Okay, you know the division process. 5y square, this is minus 19y plus 42. Okay, just I rub it here. Okay, now this is y, this is 2y cube. So you just plus plus. So just 2y square you multiply. 2y square. Just in this way, y minus 2 you multiply 2y square. Okay, plus plus plus. This is plus because this is plus. So 2y square. Oh, this is y cube. Okay, this is cube. And this is plus minus minus 2 to the 4 y square. Okay, so first thing is very important. This is same sign. This is the same sign. Because of division, subtraction, you cut off this. This is 4y square. 4y, this is a plus minus, this is a minus plus. So this part is cut. So this is the opposite sign actually. So just minus y square. Minus y square. Now break down. This is minus 19y. So this is y and this is minus y square. Just to multiply with y. So y, the minus y. So minus y square. And this is minus minus plus minus and this minus plus 2y. Okay, so sign change, minus plus plus minus. This is very important. Now the same sign, this is minus, this is 2y. What's the sign? Plus, is not minus. So 19 and 2 minus 21 y, and this is plus 42. Okay, here it get minus 21, here is y. So minus, you multiply minus 21. So minus, same sign. You always take the, because it's the cut up. Minus 21y. And this is minus plus 42. Ultimately, this is plus, this is minus. This cut 0. So this. So this is the other factor. Now you see, it's possible to middle term factor and not this other term. But the one factor is this, y minus 2. And other factor is this, 2y square minus y minus 21. These are the factor. It's possible to middle term factor. You just solve the middle term factor. Okay. So just in the just I check it. Okay. This is 2y square if further possible minus. That means actually 21 into 2, 42, and minus. Minus is possible in this way. In this way, minus into plus only, plus minus minus coming, and here is the minus, so greater value is minus. That means one is greater, one is less than this. So this the difference is what? That means you know 6 into 7, 6 into 7, 42, 6 into 7, 42. So in this way, just you break, and the greater is these are minus, so greater value is minus 7. So 2y square plus 6y minus 7y minus 21. Just to break. So this is the opposite sign subtraction, plus 6y minus 7y. So minus 1 y is coming, and the plus minus minus 6 4 7 42 y square. Here is minus 21 into 2 41. Oh, it's okay. So just common it. 2y is common. Here is y plus 3. You know, here is also y plus 3. Right already. So this is minus 7. This so minus 7. Just you check. Minus 7y minus plus minus minus 21. Okay. So the further y plus 3, and this is 2y minus 7 other factor. Clear? Clear? So the ultimate answer is, what is the ultimate answer? Here is already this. So y minus 2, this is okay. Y minus 2 is clear. Now this is the other is y plus 3, and this is 2y minus 7. This is the ultimate answer. This is the ultimate just answer. Just y minus 2, this is already, and this is breakdown to this y plus 3 and 2y minus 7. 2y minus 7. Okay. So that's for today. Okay, student, if you just understand this, please share the channel, like the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you for today. Next day, I just upload the different pattern of this factorization or other chapters. Okay, so thank you for today. Okay, thank you, student. Thank you.